Now I will turn them on the other side. Pick up a little color again. Hello, my name is Clyde. Welcome to the hills of Paramin, and today I would like to invite you all into my kitchen. Good day everyone, all my friends out there. Uncle Clyde in the kitchen once more, and today I'll make some Accra. So I have all my ingredients here. Look, as you can see, I have my Creole sieve for the Accra. Because when you use Creole sieve, it's always better. You get a better flavor all the time. So here I have some cut up. This is Creole sieve, Spanish thyme, pimento, onion, and most predominant saltfish. So I'll start to put thing here and saltfish, some onion, Creole sieve. As you see my cup, love in the house all the time, Uncle Clyde, pimento, and some Spanish thyme. Now I'll put a little bit of yeast, not too much, as you see, just a little pinch, so it won't swell up too much. A little bit of baking powder, that's about it. Mix up everything. And make sure all the flour knead up properly. Mustn't have no lumps or something. Make sure everything crush up and well mix up. Okay, so now flour mix up, the Accra mix up. I'm going to put them in the pot one by one. They mustn't be too big, they mustn't be too small. Now I will turn them on the other side. Pick up a little color again. Nice brown color. You can't go wrong.
So where you learn to make where did you learn to make Accra? Saltfish Accra?
Well, I learned to make this from since a little boy. Growing up with my parents in the old school in Paramin, I used to always watch what they're doing. Called my mother, her sister, and two other sisters. And they are always by them, watching them making Accra, they're making float, all kind of bacchanal things. So I grew up with that in my mind, you know what I mean? So
what were they making? Why were they making it in these?
They was making it to sell in the harvest. Everybody in the area coming and buying. It was a tradition.
So what was harvest? What was it?
The
Harvest, what was that?
What was the harvest? That was long ago. I was a little boy, I was there about 15, 16 years at the time. That's real long. So that's how I learned to make all those things.
So the harvest was a whole day?
It was a whole day. And then night time is party. You know, party downstairs, everybody, like a back in times thing. So it was love. Everything was love long time, but everything is for a time, you know. Yeah. My Accra good to go. And you see the nice color. Nice brown color. You can't go wrong. Champion, love in the house. I could actually smell the Spanish thyme in it. And the pimento. Love in the house all the time.